Gaelic's not a language. It refers to 3 different languages.
Where I was born was in the Galltacht area in County Donegal, and Gaelic is my first language. So ainm is Gaelic, but there's a story behind it.
Speaking Irish, or we don't really call it the Gaelic language, we just call it Irish. Speaking Irish.
Or misconception.
Yeah, like I said, nobody would call it Gaelic here. You just call it Irish. Do you know what I mean? Like, you wouldn't really call it.
Father McGlynn has broken the ice in a way, because I was going to say that for quite a few people here, there would be a number of guests of the players and so on who might not have a great deal of Gaelic.
Before you ask, yes, Ireland does have a language. It's called Irish. When we talk about an Irish, we say Gaelga, and it's not Gaelic because that's Scots Gaelic. Okay, got it? Good. Let's...
Fostal a chaháinir an telefish agus ar an radio. So, bhí an Gaelic a gcónaí in sa timpleacht againn. Bhí Gaelic I gahananne a mahaulach.
There are 3 Gaelic languages. There's Scottish Gaelic, Manx Gaelic, and Irish Gaelic, if you like. But we don't normally say Irish Gaelic or Gaelic here in Ireland. We just say Irish.
Yeah.
How many languages do you speak?
2.
What are they?
Gaelic and English.
In Ireland, we speak Irish when we're referring to the Celtic language here. And in Scotland, they speak Gaelic. Okay.
We have the culture, of course, the most important part of the island within the community, the dancing, the music, the musicians, and the Gaelic above all as well.
Irish. If you're talking about Gaelic while in Ireland, though, some people, particularly in Ulster, will understand that you're referring to the language.
Gaelic.
Most will assume you are talking about the sport.
Can you speak Gaelic?
No.
Where are you from?
The only Gaelic language that's used there is the names of places along the shore. There is no English names in the places. They're all Gaelic. All the names, all the way up under the cliffs of Moher, all the way around the Arden Islands up to Blackhead.
I can answer with very bad English, because there was no English going on by my time when I was young. And another thing, I was too much given to the Irish, and I inherited that from my father.
Because you would like to talk Irish to a person that had no English. And you see, you'd be offended if you weren't able to make him happy in his old age or with the youth.
You're the eater of my margin, snake over in the barge. Them sweet